Here's how to play the Scientist by Coldplay. It's only 5 chords and it's super easy. Also a beautiful song. First, put your capo on the 3rd fret. Second step is to learn the chords. We're gonna start with a BM7, and then we're gonna go with a G, and then a D. Now play G again, but take off the last string, just these two little strings you see. And then let's go with the A. Then we're gonna play A again, except we gotta take off this as well. It's like an A sus. Now play D again at the end. Just a D. Just a D on the end. So now let's learn the strumming pattern. We're going 8 down strums and 1 up strum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 up. Like this. We're gonna do that per chord and combine them, and maybe you'll have this. I didn't master it yet, so please don't judge when I stutter my chords, please. Okay? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, shit. So that's what it's gonna sound like, but I'm on standard tune right now, standard tune. And thank you, Guitar Tuna, for sponsoring this video. So yeah, this is a standard tune by Guitar Tuna. So it's like musician, but you know, it's just a standard tune. Also, you need a cable. Okay, this here. Thanks for watching. Bye.